welcome back to Premier Sports TV, and welcome to the most ridiculous G Wagon you've ever seen. Go for a little drive, shall we? This thing is so wide, you really have to watch the extremities of the car because it could catch you out with those massive wheel arch extensions. There's the doors locking. That's a reminder that you're in a military vehicle, the sound of those doors locking. Can you hear that? The sound of this car is absolutely ridiculous. That's just in normal comfort mode, not in sports mode or anything, and it makes that racket. And that is because the under the bonnet here is not just your ordinary G63 engine, as if that wasn't, you know, plenty enough as it was. Onyx has actually tuned this engine to 720 horsepower. 720 horsepower in a G Wagon. That's just ridiculous. You know, G Wagon's always had this reputation of not being the best cars to drive, and you know what? They're not the best cars to drive. But I think that's because we've got used to SUVs, off-road cars that just drive like cars. This, you have to drive it like an old military vehicle, which it is. And if you get used to that and you throw it around a bit, it's an awesome bit of kit. It's just ridiculous. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can go down here. You can go anywhere in this thing, it doesn't matter. Shouting about it everywhere you go. Down there. Let's see if we can we even get in here? That's how big this thing is. I don't even know if we can fit. Yeah, no, we're not fitting through there. I didn't want to go there anyway, it's fine. Sound is coming out on the audio on this recording, but in person this car just sounds like an absolute monster. Oh, Jesus Christ, what a beast! Okay, where should we go? Let's go down here. So let me tell you a bit about this car as we park up for a minute with a bunch of lorries, which is where it deserves to be. The size of this thing is just enormous. So what Onyx do is they take a normal G63 and throw away the bonnet, the arches, the bumpers, the rear bumper, the spoiler, the spare wheel cover, the wheels. They just chuck them in the bin and they replace it with their own stuff, and it's carbon fibre and there's a lot of it. In fact, there's £60,000 worth of carbon fibre on this car alone, which is just crazy. The car has to be shipped to Portugal because they won't do it anywhere else. Their factory is out in Portugal and they will only fit their kits in their factory, which is fair enough. So your car gets shipped over there, they put the kit on and then it gets shipped back. And yeah, I mean, it's just ridiculous. Ugh. Jesus, it's a big car this. Right, elsewhere. I'm actually told this car is pretty good off-road, surprisingly. But quite a reliable source tells me that they're actually better off-road than a Land Rover Defender. But I'm not going to try that out because it's not my car, and also because I'm not very good at off-roading. But it's not my car because it's actually currently for sale at Premier Sports Solutions. You can visit our website in the description. Also follow us on our Instagram. So as I head back to the showroom now, in one of the most ridiculous cars we have for sale. Just a little reminder, if you could please comment what you think of the car. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you have one? Would you not, and why? Please like the video and please subscribe to this channel. We're just trying to get it started, so that would really help us out a lot if you could do that. But that's about it from me, so until next time, I'll see you then.